I got a story to tell you. So the burglar alarm system in our house was really antiquated. The central equipment was too old. And so we got quotes from traditional burglar alarm companies to replace the equipment and then what they charge per month for monthly monitoring. And the numbers were just crazy, especially with all the self-install systems that are available today that offer whatever level, depending on the system, of monthly monitoring you want, from just you being signaled to it going to a professional, traditional monitoring station. We wanted traditional, professional monitoring. And I read reviews on the various systems and settled on Ring. And the reason I settled on Ring was Costco had this on sale for $179. And it is a very thorough system. And you can buy additional components for it. And then the monthly monitoring was the cheapest I saw of any of the companies for professional monitoring. That could change over time, but right now it's the best deal. When I read reviews, most people said this was really easy to install. Now, if you know this about me, I'm a techno idiot. So I'm gonna see if I can install this, how long it takes, and does it work reliably? Because at $179 to buy all this, and then $10 a month for monthly monitoring, that is quite a deal. So let's see how I do. Oh my goodness. This is supposed to be easy. Power supply for keyboard. Oops, better keep that together. Power supply for base station, which I guess is that. Additional parts and accessories. And this is supposed to be easy? Well, let's see. Okay, this was not 4 easy steps installing the Ring burglar alarm. First, the base unit, it's over in the other room, it was defective out of the box. And I talked to tech support, it took a long time, very nice person at tech support, but we went through a hard reboot of it, got it working. Then I started installing the various contacts, but one of the 6 was defective and doesn't work. So now I got to call customer no service and get a replacement for that. Installing the base station was really easy. Installing the motion detector was really easy. The monthly monitoring is really cheap. So it was worth the hours it took to install it, not 15 minutes like people say. It took me about 3 hours. Now, part of it's because of my incompetence, but the system's very easy to use once it's installed, and it works like a professionally installed alarm system, but really better and more modern. It's integrated with cameras, which is the whole idea of Ring, and so you have a thorough security suite, including optional smoke detection, smoke and fire detection, which I'm now going to order and add to the system. It's totally modular to add components to it. So once you have the system up and running, adding other stuff, a breeze.